In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free shipping on Dhgate 226, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot items that ship at no extra cost and confirm that the free shipping label carries through to checkout. Start by opening the Dhgate website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you're in the right place to begin. Think of this as your dashboard. You can browse featured deals, trending categories, or simply scan the page to see what catches your eye. From the dashboard, start scrolling through the listings. What you're looking for is a small green label that says free shipping. This tag typically appears near the price area on each product card. Take your time here. Many items look similar, but only the ones with the green label are advertised to ship free. If you don't see the label at first glance, keep scrolling. It's often mixed among different promotions. When you spot an item with that green free shipping label, click the listing to open the product page. This is where you can verify the details before committing. On the product page, look for the shipping cost line. You should see it clearly marked as free shipping. If you're choosing options like size, color, or quantity, make your selections and pause for a moment to let the page refresh. Shipping details can update based on variations or your delivery country. Once you're comfortable with the item and you've confirmed that shipping cost says free shipping, you're ready to move forward. Double check anything important to you, like estimated delivery time, since free shipping can sometimes be slower than paid methods. If everything looks good and you want to proceed, go ahead and choose Buy Now. This takes you directly toward checkout, which is the quickest way to confirm the final shipping cost. On the checkout page, look for the shipping cost section again. You should see it labeled clearly as free. If it doesn't appear as free, it could be due to a changed shipping method, a location setting, or a variation that isn't eligible. In that case, back up to the product page, reselect the eligible options, and make sure the free shipping indicator is present before continuing. That's it. Open Dhgate, scan for the green free shipping label, click the item, confirm shipping cost shows free shipping, select Buy Now, and verify that shipping cost reads free at checkout. Follow these steps each time you shop, and you'll consistently lock in free shipping on eligible items.